Hi, I'm James from Sunbank Solar, and today I want to show you our flush mount roof bracket. So this bracket, we're really proud of it. It goes together really easily, made of stainless steel and aluminum components, so it's going to last for a long time, very corrosion resistant, and it keeps the Sunbank really low profile to your roof, as opposed to having something that's sticking up off and kind of an eyesore. So this is a roof attachment which I've shown in another video. It'll be be mounted to the roof, and then your Sunbank bracket with the T-bolts that come with it will simply mount to this L-foot, keeping it up off of the roof and secured. So this is the saddle piece while we're here. This is what holds the tank. You'll notice that the high side is down to keep the tank from wanting to roll down the sloped roof. This is all stainless steel as well. This saddle piece has these holes where the bolts that are in the tank will actually secure to. So that's what keeps the tanks really firmly secured to the roof. And then it's not much more complex after that. You've got your extruded aluminum 4-channel, which is really easy to work with the T-bolts. And your cross pieces here keep everything stable from having any lateral motion that you don't want. And then at the bottom you have your tailstock piece, and this is what holds the tubes and keeps them firmly up against the tank. And you can see this comes as is, and these screw right out, and then they screw in to secure the tube, which I've shown in another video. So it all goes together really easily, and is just a really nice, elegant design and setup, so that your Sunbank can give you hot water and kind of stay out of your way.